What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Well, I freaking messed up my front bumper. Only driven it for 2 days and this thing's already freaking falling apart. The tab that is supposed to be here broke off, so I didn't really realize it was broken until I got home, which I'm lucky that nothing else on the bumper is broken. But yeah, so I adapted this plastic piece right here, used some JB weld, and I should be able to use this to get the bolt back in there, because the actual bumper broke with the little hole, so gotta make my own little hole. Bumper's back on. Yeah, it kind of sucks that that thing broke, but oh well. Bumper still looks good. I might just add some epoxy on the actual carbon fender because I think it cracked a little bit. Still got a little bit of a crack right there. But yeah, this thing's on there. I could leave it like that, but I want to prevent from actual breaking my fender and not having a way to mount on the front bumper anymore. So yeah, easy fix. Okay guys, so now that we got the bumper back on the Evo, it is time for me to show you guys exactly what I got for the car. If you guys don't remember, in the past videos I have shown you the roof on this thing. Look at that, this thing looks disgusting. I have really been wanting to give it a quick paint job. Came across this amazing part for the car. I never thought I would have this. I did think about purchasing it, but they're just so damn expensive. And actually my buddy Dustin hooked me up with this big time. So here it is, carbon roof for the Evo. It's gonna look so sick. I do have to restore this thing because it's seen better days. Still got to remove all this double-sided tape. It does have a crack here and there, which I'm not gonna be able to fix that, but all the scratches and all the fading that has happened, gonna be able to fix that with no problem. Clear coat should be a piece of cake. That's gonna be fun. But yeah, so shout out to Dustin. If you guys aren't following him yet, I'll put his Instagram here. Check out his Evo. He just got his wide body rear fenders on his car. It looks so damn good. I'm next. I promise I'm gonna get the fenders for this thing. I'm gonna end up cutting it, which is gonna hurt. So yeah, I can't wait to get the Voltix body kit to semi-complete the car. I'm going for the Voltix style. I already got the front bumper, which looks so damn good. If it wasn't for him, I would not have my rear carbon diffuser. It takes months for you to get that part. So yeah, super grateful, super chill dude. Go check him out. Alright guys, so I pretty much got the carbon fiber roof ready. I'm gonna start sanding. I'm just dusting off all the dust that's on here before I start sanding. And this rubber foam, whatever you call this, is kind of like a pain to take off, so I'm probably gonna try to sand it off and see if that works. If not, then I'll figure something out. But I'm gonna start sanding the entire roof and I'll worry about this later. So yeah, let's get started. All right guys, so just finished sanding the carbon fiber roof, and now I'm just wiping it down with some rubbing alcohol before I hit it with a tack rag. I've kind of developed this routine where once I'm finished sanding a part, I quickly just wipe it down with some rubbing alcohol, and then I go ahead and use these tack rags that I picked up at O'Reilly's or AutoZone. You can pick them up pretty much anywhere for like $1. And then yeah, should be ready to spray. There is one issue though, not really a big issue, but right here where the little vortex goes on the roof, I was using a razor blade and I was already damaging the carbon fiber just trying to take that off. So I did my best on removing as much as I could. Honestly, it should be fine. I'm gonna add plenty of clear coat, so once the clear dries, it should dry all together, and we can reapply some double-sided tape to put the vortex back on. But yeah, this thing is pretty much ready to go. Start spraying. Let's do this. Well, just got done spraying the carbon roof. This thing came out okay. I do have a little bit of dust that flew on. Let me give you guys a close-up look. Damn, you can see my reflection on there. Yeah, this thing came out pretty good compared to what it was. What do you guys think? I did end up doing 3 coats of clear just for extra protection. First one was light, the second one was medium, and then the third one was a really heavy coat. And then that way I have plenty of clear coat for when I cut and buff. And yeah, just gonna let it dry, and then in a few days I will be installing it on the car. Guys, I am so done from looking at this roof like this. This thing is hurting me. But today, we're gonna fix that. I just got off of work. I need a G Fuel. So yeah, the roof should be done and should be ready to install. Just gotta go buy the adhesion promoter and we should be good to go. Here is the carbon roof. This is the way that it came out from the gun. You can see the reflection. Look at this Moki right there. What's up, Moki? You got people asking for you on the channel. Say what's up. Man, that pug is getting old, but there he is. He's still going at it, still running around. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to lift this trim up, and then after that we're gonna do a final cleanup on the roof. There we go, it's out. So pretty much what I'm doing is I'm heating up the part, and then as I warm it up, I slowly just move the screwdriver, cutting the double-sided tape. Seems to be working out. I'm gonna take this off. Are you helping out? Yeah? What are we doing today? Are we installing the carbon roof? Okay, so I started taking off the double-sided tape and I'm getting ready to use the adhesion promoter. I'm only gonna do the rear and front with the adhesion promoter. I'm not gonna go all over the roof. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna start off with, and hopefully I don't mess up. I'm afraid that this thing's gonna go off flying when I'm driving. I don't trust double-sided tape, but that's the way it's supposed to be. And About the vortex diffuser, I'm gonna have to give this thing a quick spray. I think it would look good if I painted this thing black. So I think I'm gonna do the job right now, do a little quickie. We'll see what happens. Overall, I'm happy how this whole carbon fiber skin roof came out. A lot better than what the car was. The roof was really bad, so you can't beat it with this carbon fiber skin overlay. This thing looks so sick, guys. I really got to work on this trim though, so I'm gonna probably restore that later. I'm running out of daylight. I wanted to show you guys during the day, but my time is limited, so right now is probably the best I can do. I'm gonna do some quick cinematics for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy it. Here we go. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I recently received something in the mail for Shadow, so that's probably gonna be next week's video. Not sure if I'm gonna be uploading another video until Christmas, so if not, I hope you guys have Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.